Nina Kazi, who operates from her own platform, Community Exchange, has introduced the first flea market in Pakistan here at Alliance Francaise de Karachi. Speaking on the occasion, she said,
I have tried to encourage the idea of a community spirit and how a community should be reacting at a micro level to help each other. And if you notice the stalls, I've got students, we've got setups, new setups, we've got housewives who are trying to set up a business. We're aiming at helping the community, and we want the community to come and help events like this. So I've achieved my target.